Hello, hi, namaste, tapai. Hirda hununcha the Chulo Recipe. Today our recipe oats pancake. We are going to make oats pancake, healthy pancake. One bowl of oats, one bowl of yogurt, and two eggs. Let's add in the bowl. Mix it well. All ingredients. First, you have to add oats, then yogurt. Mix it. Keep aside. Mix it well, mix nicely, and then keep aside like 5 minutes. Then you can add your egg. And in healthy recipe we are not going to put sugar. I'm going to add honey. Is honey. If you not like to sweetness, you have to put honey. So I'm going to add here a 2-piece egg. This is the egg, 2-piece. You can put medium size 2-piece egg, and we're going to make a small pancake. And then for this breakfast, healthy breakfast, pancake for healthy breakfast. Okay, we mix it well. I'll mix it well with oats, yogurt, and these two egg. Okay, then yes, now ready to make pancake. You can make like this textures, so you can make easily a nice pancake. Needs it healthy, delicious pancake you can make, and very easy way, a very short time. It will be not take too much time. 5-minute recipe, this is the one. Okay, healthy recipe, 5-minute recipe. So our pan already heat. I'm going to put one by one pancake mixture. Slowly you can put, and you can put 2-3 piece in the pan, and like this slowly. Pancake mixture not too liquid, not too thick. Okay, I'm going to put only 3 piece in this pan. Then I will make again another step. This is the called healthy oats pancake. Okay, look at that. It's very nice. Look, very nice, very fresh, and very healthy pancake. You can turn. Oh my god, sorry. Look, okay, now okay. I'll turn it. Yes, this is the nice. Yeah, look at that. This one very nice. Okay, you can make like this pancake, oats pancake, very delicious, very healthy, nothing else, no sugar. Yeah, right. Healthy pancake for morning breakfast, and pancake with some honey, and you can take black coffee. Oh my god, it is the nice healthy breakfast for you. Lose weight or everything. It's not grain weight. So look, ready. Pancake it's ready now. You can see pancake how like golden brown, very nice. Wow. When you eat this pancake, it's very delicious, and it's healthy. It's very healthy. From we make from the oats, not from the flour. You know, right? Yeah. So, our pancake is ready. You can follow this recipe and make healthy oats pancake in your house, and very short time, like maximum 5 minutes you can make your pancake. And one side you can make coffee, and one side you can make tea, and ready to eat. And in the top put honey and very delicious pancake, oats pancake. Thank you for watching. Next video we are going to make another recipe for you. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Subscribe if you like this channel.